So as it says here, you can also graph a function. If the graph is a line, the function is then called a linear equation. So when graphing the function, the input is the x-coordinate and the output is the y-coordinate, for the reasons that we talked about above in the key concept, because your independent variable is your input, your dependent variable is your output, so your input is your x, your output is your y. Okay? And it's called a linear equation because it creates a line, right? And you'll see that when we graph it here in example 2. So go to the top of the next page and take a look at example 2, where it asks you to graph y equals 2x. Then it asks you to make a table of ordered pairs. You can select any 3 values of x, okay? A lot of times they'll start by just selecting 0, 1, and 2. Those are pretty simple. Don't make life complicated and pick like 500, 1,000, and 7,500. Okay, so try to stay as simple as possible. And so this example already chose 0, 1, and 2. And then you're basically going to create this table. You've got your x values, which you've chosen. You've got your function rule, 2x, which comes from your equation. And then you're going to give your y values there. So when you plug that in, when you plug in 0 for x, 2 times 0 is 0. When you plug in 1 for x, 2 times 1 is 2. When you plug in 2 for x, 2 times 2 is 4. So you get your y values. And then you take your x and you take your y to create your ordered pairs, which you're going to then graph. Okay? So then you take these ordered pairs from using your function rule and choosing your x values to find your y's, and you're going to plot them on the coordinate plane. So they've done that here, 0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 4. And then you can draw a line through them to connect each point and go past the final point to show that it would continue in that direction, drawing the arrow on the end. Go ahead and try the got it problems below to check your understanding.